Hi everybody, it's Christina from Card Making Magic. So this is the new Butterfly Trails collection, and in this we have a 5x7 gatefold card, a 6x6 one, we have a stamp and die set which is beautiful, beautiful designs. We have the Butterfly Trails sentiments, and these make quite big sentiments and die cut them. So these are what we've got. And then you have a separate stamp set that you can use to stamp the sentiments either inside your card or on the front. But there's a beautiful collection to work with. Now for today's card I'm going to show you how to make the gatefold card, and I'm going to use the 5x7. So these are the two gatefold ones. One is 5x7, the other is 6x6, and although they're different sizes, the principle is the same for both the cards. So these are the dies that you get in the pack, and they are quite big dies. So this is the one that will make the actual butterfly, and these are the layers that you can get with it. These are the layers to create the back panel and any of the insides. And obviously this is the body line. And then these are the ones that will create the side panels to make the butterfly into the gatefold for you. So these and this large one here are the ones that we're going to cut first. And these will create the panels that we need to create our base card. So for my base I'm going to use turquoise, and then we'll highlight it with some white as we go further into the card. So let's start with the turquoise. Now we're going to take these pieces and we're going to cut these. So we will need some big pieces to cut them. So you're going to need one of these. I don't know if you can get that. Yes, you can get that out of the same sheet. And you're going to need one of these. So those are your three pieces. So now with the three pieces die cut, we can pop these dies back over there. Get rid of this surplus piece, and there's our gatefold. Now we need to bend these. And I've used quite a strong card, so I would say this is about a 255 GSM. So once we've got those folded, these are going to fold the other way, and now they're going to sit on the opposite sides of the card. So they're going to sit along there. Tuck that into the back there, and that's your basic gatefold card created. Now before you go any further, let's decide what decoration we need on this card. Now from the turquoise card that's left, I'm going to take the large butterfly and the body line, and I'm going to die cut these. So there's my piece cut. And then with some white card I'm going to cut exactly the same die again. So once I have this piece cut, I can take these inner pieces to the butterfly's wings, and I'm going to add these to my shape, and I'm going to die cut these. Now I'm going to do them in two separate pieces to make sure that I get a decent cut. So we'll do one piece first, and then we'll do the second one. So once you've done that side, take that piece off, add the other one to the other side, and die cut that the same. So there's my white piece now die cut with the filigree pieces to it, but I've changed my mind about that, and I'm going to have a patterned piece cut out, and that will sit underneath my filigree piece. Now you can, if you wish, add this to the plain piece that you cut, and then that will strengthen this even more when you add the filigree piece to the top. But don't glue anything in place just yet, because we haven't finished with the die cutting. Now, to add some more pattern to what is going to be the inside of the back of the card, start with die number 1, start with the smallest one, and that is die number 1. So 1, 2, take die number 3, 4 and 5. So we're going to add these to some white card. So we'll add the largest die first, then the inner die, and then this one. And this is going to create a frame. So we need to fasten these all together so that they don't move. And we're going to die cut that out through the machine. So once you've done that, you can remove these very carefully from your card. There's your frame. Keep that inner panel there because you could use that on another project. And with these dies still fastened together, you're going to add these to some turquoise card. But before you die cut this out, you're now going to remove this middle die. So we'll take that out. We'll keep the others fastened together. And that will give you a frame now that sits exactly the same as the other size, as the other frame, and they will fit together. So we'll die cut this piece out now. And that now gives you a solid piece that will sit underneath the filigree piece. We need to get rid of all the little pieces that are left in the die. And once we've done that, because these were taped together, they will give you now frames exactly the same. So that gives you a nice solid layer underneath your filigree pattern. Now for these side panels, I want another piece that is decorative, but I want it in white. So these will fit just in there. But as I said, I want mine in white, and I don't need to cut all this piece to get it. So I'm just going to take a piece of white card and leave a small border around 2 of the sides and just make little marks on my card. And then I'm going to cut those panels, 2 of them this size for my sides. So once I have these side panels cut, I'm going to add my filigree pieces to the panel, and I'm going to die cut both of these pieces. So I have die cut those panels, they're now ready to add to my card. And from the sentiment set, I've cut butterfly kisses in black, and I've added it to some white card, and that will sit on my card as well. So now let's put this card together. So I've added some glue to my mat. I've taken up a little makeup sponge, and I'm just going to add the glue to the design. And this is, for me, is the quickest way of adding this glue to all these intricate little pieces. Now once I've done that, I can add this to this panel. And then I can do exactly the same on the other side. The layers to your butterflies glued, you're only going to glue it to one side of your card front. If you glue it to both, you won't be able to open the card. So that's how your card is going to stand as a gatefold, and there it is once it's closed. All the patterns marry up, and then in the middle we can add the butterfly's body, and we can decorate that now any way we would like. So I'm just going to put some glue on this and add this body to that body line there. There we are. The inside is decorated as well. So I'm going to take the second die down again, and again I'm going to take some of the patterned paper and I'm going to cut a panel for the back. And this will just hide all the workings now that are on the back of that card. So there we have a beautifully finished butterfly card that's a gatefold. Now in my stash I've found some bling, and I'm just going to finish this off now by decorating the body line to the card. So I'm just going to pop some bling in along here and down there, and we'll snip that off at the bottom. And that just adds a little bit of decor to the card. So there's just one way to make the card, and I've used the 5x7 Butterfly Trails gatefold card.